science experiment failed. Oh, don't worry, Maya. You know you can always get better. Yeah, we're your best friends. That's what best friends are like. Yeah, that's exactly what they are like. Exactly. I agree with Stacy. Oh, thank you, girls. But my science project failed. It's a mess. Oh, look at you girls. Wait, what? Oh, no. What am I supposed to do? My science project failed. If you get better, then you'll be able to be understandable. But hey, me and Emma are here. We're your best friends. That's what best friends are like. You girls are being so sweet, but I'd rather just be alone now.